Hello everyone, welcome to this session. Our chapter is map work. We're still discussing about the map. So in our previous video, we saw the concept of the map. We discussed the various essentials of the good map. So today let's discuss one of those essentials, that is the scale. So we'll be talking about the scale, the map scale. Now let's dive into it. Definition of scale. So we start with the definition of scale. A scale is simply this is the relationship or a ratio between the map distance and the actual ground distance. So a map distance and the actual ground distance, their relationship is identified by the scale. So a scale simply equals to the map distance upon ground distance, or simply also known as the actual distance. Now let's see the various types of scale. So let's dive into this. There are various kinds of scales. We can classify the scale according to the size. Now, so this is the first way on how you can identify the various types of scale based on the size. So there are three types of scales based on their size, starting with the first one, that is the large scale. A large scale, they are those that are used to present information on these small areas. For example, a map of a village, buildings, or farms, etc., etc. So the scales that I use to represent small kinds of areas are the ones that are called the large scale. The map size involves all numbers less than 1:25,000. This means we're talking about 1:10,000 and 1:5,000. So here I just see the examples of these large scales. Meaning that they are the ones that represent or represent the information of the small areas on a map, such as the village, buildings, or farms. Now let's see the characteristics of the large scale. Here are some of them. It has smaller numbers in the denominator. So denominator, you are talking about the the below number when you are showing the ratios. When you are showing the ratios, there's upper number, that is the numerator, and the below number, that is the denominator. So they have the smaller numbers in the denominator, talking about they're representing, or they're just showing or present the information of small areas. It shows features clearly. So the large scale is simply because it shows or it just represents small areas. So the areas shown, they are being shown clearly. So the various features shown, they are seen clearly. So this is the other characteristics of large scale. The other one, that it contains the geographical details. So in a large scale, you see the various geographical details shown, since they are shown clearly within a small given place or area. Now let's move on to the other one, that is the medium scale. These kinds of scales are the ones that are used to represent medium details. So on the map, we are talking the medium details, talking about the areas that they are not very large or very small, but they are medium, or they are just medium size. Talking about, take an example, a region, district, city, etc. So the example of the map that can be shown using these medium scales is the map of some places like a district, region, city, etc. And last but not least, the third kind of these scales are the small scales. The small scales are the ones that are used to present information that is long. Here we're talking about large areas and huge features that are shown within a given place. This type of scale, it covers a large area with less details. So it covers very large area with the very less details shown, since there is a huge place that is covered within it. For example, a map of a country, continent, or a world. So small scales are the ones that are used to represent very large areas, such a kind of a maps of a country, continent, or world as whole. A map involving numbers between, take an example, 1:500,000 to 1:1 million. So these are just the numbers that are shown within the small scale. And the characteristics of the small scale, they include as follows. It has the largest denominators. We're talking about the below numbers, whereby they are largest numbers because they are showing the huge area covered within this kind of scale. And it contains a lot of geographical information. So, but a lot of geographical information are shown since there is a huge area that is presented on a given map. And the third one, that it does not show geographical features clearly, since there are many things or various features that are shown. So the geographical features, they cannot be seen clearly as compared when you are using the large scale that is used within a small area. So I hope that's all clear, guys. Thank you for listening. We've discussed the scale as one of the essentials of the good map. We've seen the definition of it, and we will later on discuss the three types of the scales based or according to their sizes. I hope that's clear, and thank you.